Hello friends, let me tell you a story. There are two children, A and B. Well, A is more capable and smarter than B. One day, their teacher gives them a homework to do in a week. A, thinking that he has to submit it in a week, completed it just before he had to give it in. But B, who was less capable than A, still put a deadline 3 days ahead of the submitting day. So he had only 4 days to do it. But magically, he took not 7 days, but 4 days to complete it. Why? This is the magic of Parkinson's law. Well, it was founded by Northcote Parkinson, who said that work expands to fill available time. In this, he meant that if your work is off a day or a year or another time, it will take that time. But if you put your deadline in a short time, then even magically you can finish that in that time. Well, this Parkinson's law sounds like it is bad, but there are 3 ways you can benefit from it. First, put a shorter timeline. Means if you have decided that if your teacher has said that you have a week to do, decided to and complete it in 3 days, you can complete it. Then, second method, break your tasks into smaller pieces. Like in a summer homework, there must be different subjects. Break them in that and put different timelines for all of them. Then, third, put a challenge for yourself. Put a timeline that even though it is impossible, put that timeline. Well, you will not finish it completely, but 75% or even 90% may be completed, and sometimes it may be completed too. Well, its quality might not be very bad, but which is better, making good from the start or just editing it? Well, you know the answer. Tell me, how can we use the Parkinson law more in the comments.